Okay, so hey, I'm sorry, I'm looking for my notes on my phone. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Meghlana, and today we're going to be talking about one of the easiest zero waste switches you and I can make today or within the coming few months. And why I'm saying coming few months, we will elaborate more on in a bit. सबसे पहले big disclaimer is that, as I always say, I am in no way saying that I live plastic free in all other aspects of my life, but I do enjoy making small changes. थोड़ा सा भी impact अगर हो, all of us together can make a big difference. And I will share some crazy like stats and numbers with you guys later in the video, which made me really realize ki how big a difference a small thing like a toothbrush can make when it comes to all of the 8, 9, 10 billion people that we are going to be. And yeah, so let's just quickly get started with this video. Before we begin, I wanted to answer a question that I saw, and it was actually a very valid question, which is why cut trees to produce these bamboo products? I would rather throw away a plastic toothbrush than cause the cutting of more trees. To answer this question, yes, using a bamboo toothbrush will be more sustainable than using a plastic toothbrush for a couple of reasons. Number one, bamboo is a cultivated plant. The crops are cultivated to give you food. Cotton is cultivated to produce clothes. In the same way, bamboo is cultivated to produce products like razors or toothbrushes or even combs. So this bamboo is not cut off from a random forest. It is grown for this purpose. Number two, bamboo is also a very sustainable plant. Actually, it's a grass species, so it grows very, very fast. It does not require a lot of water or fertilizers to grow, and it regrows from its own roots. So the plant does not need to be replanted every single time. Also, once you're done with using it, you are not creating more plastic waste. I found this toothbrush company called बिट्टू टूथब्रश. पहले जब मैंने देखा था मुझे लगा शायद ये कोई स्कैम है, बिकॉज बिट्टू कैसा नाम है. आई वाज लाइक what the hell. मुझे लगा shady है, but thankfully shady नहीं था. I ended up having a really good experience with their product and with their customer service. Let's begin quickly by unboxing it. The toothbrushes came to me ऐसे type की packaging में. It has a layer of plastic on the packaging, but it also says that it has come from Kolkata in West Bengal, which is pretty far from where I live. So I get it. They would not want to risk moisture, pests or mold or any kind of other damage during transport. These are how the toothbrushes are packed inside. You can see they are wrapped in cardboard boxes which are totally plastic free. So I understand that they do want to go plastic free in their packaging. तो ये मैं दो निकाल चुकी हूँ, so ये खाली है. So I'll show you what the toothbrushes look like. The handle is made out of bamboo wood. And in terms of bristles, there are two types that are available. एक तो है ये bamboo bristle वाला toothbrush. They also have another option available, bamboo handle but nylon bristle toothbrushes. Now if we compare these two, the website claims that these are 100% bamboo bristles, but जितने भी resources I have read online, they all say कि 100% biodegradable bristle has not been found yet, and they all have some amount of plastic mixed on with them in order to make them last longer. This one has minimum plastic, this one has medium level plastic, and a plastic toothbrush has maximum plastic. So out of all the three options, this according to me is the best option, followed by this one. Either of the two are much better than a regular plastic toothbrush. Why I have both is, I think थोड़ा सा confusion हो गया था. I received this one with the nylon bristles, so I reached out to them. They told me that they would be sending me the bamboo bristle toothbrushes free of cost. I wanted to return these ones because I hadn't used them and I did not want to use the nylon bristle toothbrushes, but they said I did not need to return them. Applying the same logic to plastic toothbrushes as well, using up what we already have and then going ahead and buying something new is the least wasteful and therefore the most sustainable way to go. So that's what I meant by making the switch today or in the coming few months. How to differentiate between a bamboo bristle and a nylon bristle toothbrush. Nylon bristle toothbrushes, the bristles are very perfect, uniform thickness throughout. They're very flat and cut at equal length. They're very perfect looking and the bristles are very shiny. Whereas if you look at the bamboo bristle toothbrush, bristles are slightly thicker towards the base and halka sa thinner towards the end. Also, they're not cut at the same length perfectly, and they're less shiny compared to the nylon bristles. They look more natural and imperfect. Coming to quality, if you compare these bamboo toothbrushes with a normal regular plastic toothbrush, quality mein there is no farak. I have been using these brushes for over 2 years now. If you compare nylon bristle and bamboo bristle toothbrushes, again, in the way they function, कोई फर्क नहीं है दोनों में. So the bamboo bristle toothbrushes will say bamboo viscose bristles. All the other toothbrushes are made of nylon bristle. And I will specify all of these details in the description down below. The bamboo bristle toothbrushes are slightly more expensive than the nylon bristle toothbrushes. Bamboo toothbrushes are slightly more expensive than the regular plastic toothbrushes. Depending on where you get them from and which ones you get, they're an average of 50 to 80 rupees more than regular toothbrushes. And since I got a pack of 4, they're gonna last me a little over a year, which is really not that bad if you think about it. So I think काफी doable. Let's talk about the pros and cons. Number 1 pro तो यही है कि it is environmentally friendly. So I was looking at some toothbrush stats and it says that approximately 3.5 billion toothbrushes are produced and sold every year worldwide. Another article that I read by National Geographic, if we take all the toothbrushes that Americans alone use in a year and put them one after the other, it could go around the entire earth 4 times. 4 times in USA alone. So अगर हम और लेंगे तो फिर तो भाई. Pro number 2 is that bamboo is a naturally antimicrobial material. So a lot of people have a concern कि because it's wooden, इसके ऊपर mold grow हो सकता है, fungus grow हो सकता है, which is honestly very very disgusting. I get it. But ऐसा नहीं होता है. Number 3 ये है कि by using these kind of products, we are supporting small brands who are trying to make a difference to make our planet better. And secondly, also they're mostly all locally acquired materials and they're giving employment to local population of our country. So yes, we are supporting Atmanirbhar Bharat, not just for the joke or the meme of it. Pro number 4 is just the ease of using these and making the switch to using these. They have children sizes and they have adult sizes. It's literally as easy as going for these the next time you need to buy a new toothbrush. Coming to cons, the number 1 con that we have already discussed is the fact that they are slightly more pricey than our regular toothbrushes. Bro, while editing, I was like, bro, this audio is terrible because there's construction going on मेरे घर के आगे as well as पीछे. So I was like, I need to retake this. So quickly, con number 2 is when you put a bamboo toothbrush ऐसे and all the water trickles down to the bottom. Because I always store them like this because all the water trickles down and the base gets kind of गीला. Functionality wise कोई issue नहीं है, but it's just a little gross having a गीला toothbrush base all the time. So I keep them like this. Or if you have a metal or like a mesh kind of a toothbrush holder that lets the water drain off and not settle at the bottom, then that's another way of storing a bamboo toothbrush. Finally, con number 3 is accessibility. Not as accessible as your regular toothbrush that you can find in your local shops. Yeah, that's all I had to say. I hope you guys found this video useful. If you have any other questions, let me know in the comment section down below and I'll try and answer any questions that you have. And that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye, bolo. Bye.